Hi first graders, it's Miss Olson back to read you another story. Today we are reading one of my favorites from when I was a kid, and it is called Bear Snores On by Carmel Wilson, illustrated by Jane Chapman. This is a big book. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An itty-bitty mouse, pitter-pat, tiptoe, creep-crawls in the cave from the fluff-cold snow. Mouse squeaks, "Too damp, too dark, too dank." So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark. The coals pit-pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Remember what a hare is? We learned that. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. Mouse sips wee slurps, Hare burps big burps, but the bear snores on. Sorry. A badger scuttles by, sniffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." And they nibble and they munch with a chew chomp crunch, but the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor. Then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters Wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. A lot of animals in there. Any guesses what's going to happen next? They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. Look at all those animals dancing. The bear's still sleeping. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck makes the bear. What do you think? Achoo! He blows and he sneezes and the whole crowd freezes. And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and snarls, bear roars and he rumbles, bear jumps and he stomps, bear growls and he grumbles. How do you think the other animals are feeling? "You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none." And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Mouse squeaks, "Don't fret, don't fuss, look, see? We can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tales through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp dear dawn, bear can't sleep. But his friends snore on. That is the end of today's book. As always, I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. I forgot to do our question of the day at the beginning of this video. So today, if you see this video, I want you to tell me your favorite ice cream flavor. It's going to start getting warm soon, and we'll be able to eat some ice cream, hopefully. So my favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate or strawberry. I can't decide. So let me know, either send me a message or leave a comment what your favorite ice cream flavor is. And I hope to see you guys all soon. Have a great rest of your day.